Hey, you guys. So, I'm here to tell you a little secret about handbags. Handbags don't really go out of style, sis. They don't. They don't really go out of style. Now, they kind of phase out. Some of them might look a little bit, rough around the edges or whatever. But if you see a handbag that you like, you should get her. Don't worry about if she's pre-loved or not. Like, you deserve her. You do. So I'm saying that because I remember wanting, lusting, desiring this one particular bag for 3 whole months, I believe. I would see her on QVC, and I was a young mom. We were in Norfolk, Virginia, living downtown, doing an internship, and had no money. We were working on our master's degree, so money was not there at all. And I saw this bag on QVC, and I just said, I need that bag in my life. It was a set, so you got the suitcase and you got the handbag to match. And this was I want to say it was the Cadillac or Cavalier. It was something like that. I can't remember. Some of you guys may remember. If you do, comment below. But this is her right here. I bought the suitcase pre-loved years prior. I think I bought the suitcase like 4 or 5 years ago, and I got the suitcase for like $40 because nobody was looking at her. I don't care if anybody doesn't look at her. This is for me. So, I like trends. As you guys saw, I went crazy over the Coach collection, the denim collection, right? I do. I love trends. But I also love what I love. And nobody can change what I love. If I like it, it's mine. It's me. So I will never get rid of this bag, along with the suitcase. So I got this, and the suitcase is just like this, but it's bigger. I should have brought her over here. If you want to see a pre-loved bag collection, I have a pretty nice size collection of pre-loved items that you guys probably have no idea are pre-loved. So if you want to see that, comment below and let me know. So I got that. But yeah, I remember just looking at the screen like, one of these days I'm going to get that bag. I had no idea the price would go down that much because I think at the time she may have been about $400 or $500. Yeah, it pays to wait, ladies. It pays to wait. And this is another bag that I'm currently carrying. Well, actually, a lot of times, you guys, I'm carrying 2 bags per week. So I'm carrying her when I'm just going out for coffee or lunch or whatever. So today I went to lunch at some church member's house, and I carried this one. And then I carried it yesterday for coffee with my brother. But I'm still carrying this one, and this is what my life is in. So I got that one pre-loved. This is also a Dooney, and she's gorgeous. The leather is pebbled leather, all-weather leather. I love that the most because I don't have to worry about her. I can do whatever I want to her, and she still performs. Yes, she does. And then I got this baby here. This is the Cooper. And I want to start saying people's names on my channel, but I just don't know if people are okay with that because I don't know them aside from YouTube. So I will restrain myself from saying people's names unless they give me the okay to say it. But I saw it on someone's channel, and I said, and she had it lined up so perfectly. I was just like, I gotta get her. I gotta get her. And I got her. And she was going for about $160 to $200 or more on the pre-love market. And I found her on Posh for like $30. And I said, I'm not going to negotiate. I'm just hands down, give it to me now. Give it to me now. So she had stains on her, and that's what I was showing. All of this was ink. It was just all ink. So I've been cleaning and scrubbing and cleaning and scrubbing. And I got that out. I have a video showing that. So if you want me to upload that, I will. But I know most people don't really care about that. But I'm still working on this little ink right here. I'm a little OCD with stuff like that. Because when I put my stuff in here, I just want it to be perfectly clean. So yeah, I did that. And I love this bag. Oh, she still got the tag in here. I didn't even see that. I'm glad she didn't get wet. But anyway, so there's that. I got this baby. I'm still working on her, like I said. I like this one because she reminds me of the Delightful bag by Louis Vuitton. And that's my favorite bag. Okay. When you own Louis Vuitton, you don't necessarily have a favorite. Like, it's hard to explain, but the Delightful GM is my top 3. It has to be one of my top 3 bags by Louis Vuitton, and that's what this gives me resemblance of. So yeah, I had to get that, and I want her in every color. I just do. Look, y'all, she's 18 inches across. It doesn't get any better than that. It just doesn't. She's got the little blue duck, turquoise duck. She's just gorgeous. I cleaned her. There are a few stains I was not able to remove, but her inside was like completely clean. And she comes with all her tags, everything. Like, she's beautiful. And I've never seen this bag before, ever. This will totally just be a workhorse for me. Work, travel, everything. Yeah, she's got some stains on the back, but they're not that noticeable. I don't care. When I saw her, and the girl was just giving her away, $21, I was like, okay, add to cart. She's mine. I will not sleep if I I wasn't gonna sleep, so I had to get that. Now this is one, you're not always successful, right? Sometimes you see the pictures and they look one way and then you get her home and they're not. This is a Tory Burch. This is the only Tory Burch that I've bought pre-loved. And I wasn't very happy with this purchase because the leather is not like, I'm sure it's some type of leather, but it's not the kind of leather that I'm used to. I do like the emblem on the inside. She's got everything that shows that she's authentic. It's just, first of all, she's a little too small. Y'all know this is tiny for me. But then second, the leather is just different. So I don't know. I kept trying to give this one to my daughter. She took her for a minute and then she was just like, yeah, I don't think I want her. I don't know if I'm gonna, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with her. I still like aspects of her, but I don't know. I don't know. So that was one that I wasn't very happy with when I bought a pre-loved. And you get that sometime. I think I may have paid $30, $40 for that. So that was a loss for me. But that's okay, because I've had very many wins like this. This baby here I have wanted for years. But I was on Louis. And I was still looking at Dooney in my side eye, like, oh, that's cute. Like, I really was. But I was like crazy over Louis at the time. You guys don't even understand. I barely lifted her. You saw me just pick her up. I just barely lifted her. And she smells like the aroma that comes from her is just like straight up cow. Like, I can just see the cow moving. Like, it's just all leather. It just smells so good. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna look. When it comes to leather, I don't think anybody feels the way that I feel about leather. Like, I love cowhide. I love smooth leather. I love Florentine leather. I love. I don't have enough time to talk about her, but if you want to see a review, I'm probably gonna do it even if you don't ask, because that's how much I love this bag. I've wanted this bag for so long, and I got her, and she was cheap. I think $40 is what I paid. And this is still going right now on the pre-loved market. If you look up Kingston, this bag is going for about $160, maybe $125 to like $300-400. So yeah, that's it. I'll talk